Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Thursday and Friday, May 2nd and 3rd, 2019. Well, let's take a look and see how the day and the week ended up. Like we do at the end of the week, we have our 15-minute candles, our day candles, our week candles, and our monthly candles, so we get a good look at the overall and see how things are going. We're going to go ahead and start with the Qs. And you can see yesterday after this pullback, everybody was a bit worried that possibly we were headed down. But we had a very, very nice recovery. Lots of good news this morning. And the Qs headed straight up. Actually gapped up. And if you look here at the 15-minute chart, pretty much held steady all day long. We look at the weekly chart and, just headed straight up. We had that little pullback. We have this nice hammer candle here, but ended right at high, so it looks very, very nice. And then, of course, the month just started, and, we are looking good on all fronts there. As far as volume goes, we had 1.14 volume, so just a little bit above average. So the Qs, ended the week very, very strong. And now we're going to go ahead and move on to the diamonds and see how they're looking. And the diamonds, as far as the daily, went good. We did pull back earlier in the week, but we had that nice reversal today and looking very, very strong. As far as the intraday candle, you can see a little bit of a pullback after the gap up, and then pretty much held steady much of the afternoon. And then the weekly candle, kind of a doji candle, but you can see here we're kind of just consolidating right here in this price, trying to get the strength possibly to go ahead and set those new records here as well. And the monthly candle, too early to say much about that, but there's your diamonds, and I'd say considering all, it was a strong close to the week also. Now the spiders, let's finish off with those, and you can see, nice strong candle here, nice reversal on that. On the weekly, closed above last week, a nice hammer candle here, so looking good. If we break above there next week and continue on, not much to talk about the monthly, but the spiders, pretty much gained till mid-afternoon and then pretty well held steady. So looking good there, and that relative volume was 1.01, which was just average volume, and the diamonds we didn't cover. It was a little bit light volume at 0.77. So we'll go back and we can show you the little graphing down here to show you the volume. So that is your market update. Let's go ahead and get rid of these two, take a fast look at Holly, and we'll review yesterday's Holly as we do the Excel spreadsheet. But for today, Holly Grill had 26 trades. Just to let you know, we have a new version going to be coming out real soon, and it's going to put all these Hollies back into one window, and it's going to look a lot like our Brokerage Plus. I showed you here the other day how it's going to look if we do the Holly tab. So it's going to get very, very interesting. So if you attend our webinars and different things, you'll learn more about that. So we're going to be changing the look, trying to make it a little bit more user-friendly for everybody and a little bit easier to understand. But today, 26 trades for Holly Grill, 92 cents profit, 32 cents was the risk on, and our best trade there was a short trade, ZLAB, and made 55 cents, got out for a profit save. And then if you stayed till the end of the day, you had a 16-cent profit. Best trade of the day and the risk on was CDNA. During the actual trade, she got out for a timed exit of 43 cents profit. Held it till the end of the day, you would have made 51 cents. Moving on to Holly 2.0, we had 20 trades there for a 79-cent profit, and the risk-on profit was $3, so that was very, very good there. The best trade for the risk-off was INVI, which was a target hit. she hit that dollar target. Then it went on to $1.98 had you stayed in until the end of the day. So that was a very, very nice trade. And as you might have suspected, that was the best trade in both categories. Now, Tandem was the second best in the risk on. And you can see there, as happens sometimes, got out for the profit save at 25 cents. Then went on for $1.95, and we had a third one that was over $1 in the risk on, and that was MGTA. Got out for a timed exit of 25 cents, and it went on to make $1.52. So it had some real nice profit there. Had you been in any of those or were following it. Now, Holly Neal had 15 trades, lost 12 cents. And her risk-on profit was a loss of 74 cents. But the best trade for her was CBLK, was a long trade. She made 61 cents on that. Had you stayed in until the end of the day, you would have had an 82-cent profit. So even though the segment did poorly, very, very nice trade, and that was the best trade in both categories. We're going to go ahead and bring that Excel spreadsheet here, and we're going to take a look on Thursday. We ended up with 40 trades for a loss of 37 cents, but the risk-on mode, she made 405. And let's see here, Holly Grill, did not do so good. It looks like Holly 2.0 made 211 in the risk on, and Holly Neal made 202 in the risk on. So that's what made that up. Today we ended up with 61 trades for $1.59 profit. $2.58 was the risk on profit. So for the week we're sitting at 211 trades, $7.39 profit. $7.81 is the risk on profit. Now, just as a quick reminder, we are going to have our test drive starting Monday, and you can actually sign up for this through May 8th, and you'll get 5 full days. But if you get signed up now, you'll be able to download your software over the weekend and be all ready to go Monday morning. For $8.99, you'll have 5 days. You'll be able to use everything Holly has to offer, everything the Trade Idea software has to offer. You can do auto trading. You can do everything. So, give it a try. And there's going to be a little video pop up on the right side there. You can click on there, watch a video to learn more about it. The link will be, you see an arrow pointing down to the YouTube comments. You can get a link there to go ahead, sign up. And also on the left here, you're going to have a little screen pop up if you want to subscribe to these videos so you never miss one. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.